Hey, hello, welcome to Learn and Shine with Shamal. As you know, our challenge is daily speaking on one topic. So today is our day 2, and my topic is daily routine. But before that, I want to tell you one thing. I want to confess that thing with you people that when it comes to solo video, recording myself, I really feel goosebumps and cold feet, but when it comes to speaking with people in conversational videos, I really feel very much comfortable over there. I really speak effortlessly as well. That means I that is my perception. But when it comes to camera, facing camera for my solo videos, it is really difficult for me. But still, to get rid of that hesitation, that fear, I have started this journey. So our today's topic is daily routine, my daily routine. Usually I wake up at 5 or 5:10 in the morning. Then I start my day with lukewarm water, mostly hot water. Then I brush my teeth, freshen up, and start to prepare some breakfast and breakfast for my son, because he has school in the morning. My younger one. And by the time I prepare breakfast and pack his tiffin box, he gets ready for the school. Then he has have his breakfast, and we head to school bus, where we get down at almost 6 or 6:05, and his school bus arrives by 6:10. Once he get into the bus, I go for a walk. Every day I try to get take walk for at least 1 hour, and after that I do some exercises and my Kathak Riyaz as well. Then I come back home by 7:30, and till that time my elder son wakes up, and he start preparing for start to get ready for his college. Then I go, I take shower. Then I do puja, and then before he gets ready, I prepare breakfast for him and for me as well. Then we both have breakfast together, and after 8:30 or by 8:45 he leaves home for his college. And then I start my work, household chore. And then I start to do my laundry, my kitchen, cleaning kitchen. Then all kind of household chores. I prepare lunch before cleaning kitchen, and once I prepare lunch, I clean kitchen, I do every kind of household chore. And then I try to get ready before 11:30, because after 11:30 I keep my sessions, I do all recordings, all video conversation, and I try to make sure myself at least to get one or two sessions in a day, that conversation session, at least one in a day. Because of that I can get connected with the people like minded. I speak with them, I do that conversation. And by 1:30, when my elder son comes back home, then from 1:30 to 2 o'clock, we both of us together take lunch. Then again after my lunch I go for utensil cleaning with utensils and some extra small household chore. Once I finish those all things by 2:30, then it's time to recharge my batteries. Then I go, then I take some power nap. I rest for a while, because every day I wake up at 5 or 5:10, 5:13 like that, 5:15 like that. So I make sure to get power nap in the afternoon. Once I wake up, I prefer to have tea. I am a tea person. I like tea very much, and that too adrak wala tea. I prefer to have tea, and by that time my elder son comes, then we all together have that snacks. That is our snacks time by 4:30. Then again I get ready for my phonic classes. I give phonic classes thrice in a week, and I get ready by 5:30. I prepare some lessons for that, and 6 o'clock my students come. From 6 to 8:15 I finish my classes, and then I get ready. Then I prepare dinner for my family. As soon as I prepare dinner, we try to finish our dinner by 9:30, 9:45. Then again I do my household chore, every cleaning and preparation for the next day. I make my to-do list for the next day. Then by 10:30 we hit the sack. We try to sleep, but means however I don't sleep by 10:30 only. I take time to sleep, so I make most out of it. I utilize that time for reading. So that also I have started nowadays. I try to read at least 4 to 5 pages before going to bed, before sleeping. Once I finish that, and then I feel sleepy, and then I go to bed. And again next day I wake up at 5 or 5:30 between that. So this is my daily routine. Most of my week I finish like this. I finish like this. Then on Sundays we prefer to wake up bit early, like 7, and then we have as breakfast, and I usually try to cook some delicious dishes on Sundays, and try to be lenient to ourselves. We go with our pace, that to the slow pace. And on Sundays I try to do some extra cleaning, some extra household chores, and some delicious dishes. And evening I try to give time for my family, though it is really difficult for me, but still we try to use that time wisely. I go with my children for some kind of outing, and this way we try to make most out of it, our Sundays. And one more thing which I would like to share here, I go for Kathak classes as well. As I told you that I am learning Kathak, so it's twice in a week, a 1 hour class I attend. And I try to memorize all the todas, tukades and parents every day. Whenever I get time to do that study, I try to memorize. And very important thing, in my whole day, though I don't get time to connect with my co-learners, still whenever I get time in between my household chores, in between any kind of work, though I am with my children, sometimes I try to get connect with my co-learners. It is really difficult for me, but because my plate is completely full. This way I finish my week. This is my daily routine of complete week. So like me, you also take one topic and speak upon it, and try to use more and more new words. One more thing I forgot over here, that I try to I don't try, I make sure that every day I learn few words, and that I incorporate in my daily conversation. So that is my daily practice. I never forget it, and that I use in my conversational videos with my children, with my co-learners. So like this way I try to incorporate many words, idioms and phrasal verbs in my conversation. And meanwhile, whenever I get time, I record my sessions and edit as well. So this is my hectic schedule. I always on my toes, burning midnight oil, and burning candle from both the ends. So this is how I spend my whole week. So try to take one topic a day, speak on it 2 to 4 minutes, and 4 to 5 minutes, and go beyond that. And please don't be harsh with yourself. Give time to yourself, because time is the really good teacher as well as the remedy. As far as you give time to yourself, and by being lenient to yourself, you will definitely achieve your goal. Don't harsh to yourself. Okay, so try to incorporate this habit in your daily routine, and shine more and more. Okay, because your future voice is waiting for you. So follow for more, like, share and subscribe, and please comment your anything what you want to talk to me. talk to me. Okay, so bye bye.